everybody, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to another memory spread. In this week we're going to be planning out the week of May 18th through May 24th in my Erin Condren Hourly Life Planner. And the kit that I decided to go for, which took me like 5,000 years to pick a kit, but I finally decided on this Bloom kit from GLdesigns group. So here you have your full boxes, a couple of labels, your glitter headers, weekend banner, your Monday through Sunday, some checklists, some labels and little things. You have your date covers, several more checklists, some boxes, a couple bill dues, your habit trackers, and then your bottom washi deco pieces and a couple more boxes. And then you have your foiled header overlays. So yeah, that is the kit that I will be using for this week. I'm gonna go ahead and lay down the base of the spread and speed you guys up, throw some music on, and then we will get into the day-to-day plans. Okay, so this is the base of the spread. I really like how this turned out. I love the gold foil overlays. I think it's really pretty. This bottom washi is just so pretty. So yeah, this is it. I used a couple pieces of deco from the kit over here in the sidebar. Everything that's on the page right now is from the kit. I haven't pulled in anything extra. If I miss anything, don't forget to leave me questions, but yeah, this is it. I think it's really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and zoom you guys in and get to the day-to-day. So let's go ahead. So the first thing that I'm gonna mark on Monday is that I was woken up by my kitten, who obviously thinks that the crack of dawn is when he needs to wake me up. And I'm just layering this little Fox and Pip bed with this Sweet Avis paper kitten face on top of a quarter box from the kit. And then I wanted to put down that I had a YouTube binge since I was awake, so I'm using this little YouTube icon from Paper Shire. And then I wanted to mark that I uploaded my haul on this day, so to mark that I'm just using this little Munchkin covered in Happy Mail. Then I wanted to mark that I went running on this day, so to mark that I'm just layering this running script from Planner Kate over a piece of floral deco from the kit. Then jumping down, I wanted to mark that I filmed my memory plan with me on this day, and to do that I'm using a Fox and Pip planner and pen, and that film script is from my mom's shop. Jumping over to Tuesday, the first thing I wanted to mark is that I slept in, and to mark that I'm just using this little sleep in girl from Fox and Pip. And then I wanted to mark that Shane and I just had some cuddle time, and I'm using this little cuddle time sticker from Planning Like a Pro. Jumping down, I wanted to mark that I had a Zoom training session, so I'm using a Fox and Pip laptop and a training script from Planner Kate. Then I wanted to mark that Shane and I did a grocery run on this day, so I'm using a grocery bag icon from Planning Boss and a grocery shop script from Planner Kate. Then I just wanted to mark that I went running with my friend Lacey in my parents' neighborhood, and I used a little running Ava from Planning Like a Pro. Jumping over to Wednesday, I wanted to mark that my younger brother turned 21 on this day. He is across seas, so we weren't able to celebrate, but we'll have to celebrate whenever we get home. And I'm just using that little celebrate girl from the Fox and Pip. Then I wanted to mark that Shane and I did some more organizing at his grandparents' house, just helping them box up some stuff from his old room. Then I wanted to mark that I uploaded my memory spread on this day, and to mark that I'm just using this flat lay from Daily Dose of Stickers, and the Upload Plan With Me script is from my mom's shop. Then I wanted to mark that I broke out my special effects makeup kit on this day and just had a little bit of fun. I always love playing with my makeup kit, so to mark that I'm just using this little makeup bag from Stick With The Plan Co. Then I went for a run, and again I just layered it the same way with some deco from the kit, and that running script is from Planner Kate. The first thing I wanted to mark on Thursday is that I went to the pool with my family, and I'm just using this little girl from Pumpkin Paper Co. on top of a label from the kit. And then I wanted to mark that I just went over and hung out at my parents' house on this day. So I'm using this little sticky note from Papershire, and the little house icon is from Planner Kate. The next thing that I wanted to mark is that I ran 4 miles on this day in my parents' neighborhood. It was a doozy of a run, and oh my gosh, my calves were killing me the next day, but I felt so accomplished. So again, I'm just using this little running Ava from Planning Like a Pro. Then I wanted to mark that I did some more work on my island in Animal Crossing, so I'm using this little switch icon from the Fox and Pip, and that play script is from my mom's shop. Then I wanted to mark that I had a bath night, so I'm using this little bath girl from Sweet Ava's paper, and that script is from Pink Leaf Prints. Jumping over to Friday, the first thing that I wanted to mark is that this day was a very lazy day. So I'm just layering this little lazy day icon from GP Sticker Studio over top of a piece of deco from the kit. Then I wanted to mark that I took a nap on the couch on this day. Like I said, it was a very lazy day, but that's because there was a huge storm on this day, and whenever storms happen, I just get really sleepy. So I'm marking the storm using this little rain cloud from GLdesigns group. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Stormy weather always makes me so sleepy. But then I wanted to mark that I made a delicious chicken salad for dinner. So I'm just using this little salad, healthy eating girl from Papershire over top of this half box from the kit. I made a very girthy salad on this night. Like, I sauteed chicken and I put bell peppers in and tomato and cucumber. It was very filling. Healthy, but filling. I was very proud of myself. I'm very proud of any time I can make a good salad. The next thing I wanted to mark on this day is that I had a credit card payment due. So I'm just, again, layering a piece of deco from the kit, and then that little credit card payment is from Sassy Apple Studio. Jumping over to Saturday, the first thing that I wanted to mark is that I went shopping with my sister-in-law on this day. We went to a couple stores because things are finally opening back up. So I'm just using these little shopping bags from GLdesigns group. And then of course I had to mark that I got some stickers as well. I had a big treat yourself kind of day. So that shop for stickers sticker is from Daily Dose of Stickers. Then I wanted to mark that I played Xbox with Shane on this night. He finally taught me how to play one of his favorite games. I was not very good at it, but I gave it a shot. So I'm just using this little play girl from Papershire. Then I wanted to mark that I did a home workout, and I'm using a kettlebell from Planning Boss. Then the last thing I wanted to mark on Saturday is that Shane and I just had a Netflix binge. We started watching Avatar: The Last Airbender again on this night. I don't know if you guys remember that, but oh my gosh, one of the best shows ever. Going over to Sunday, the first thing that I wanted to mark is that I woke up and just had a bath on this day, and I just kind of pampered myself. I shaved my legs, and when I got out of the bath, I took some time and did my makeup because I thought we were going over to my parents' house, but we had to wait because the storm was still kind of raging on. So we ended up not going over until later on in the night because my mom made family dinner. So to mark that, I'm just using this little family dinner from Coffee Monsters Co. And then me, my mom, and my sister-in-law all played Animal Crossing together. So to mark that, I'm just using a little switch, and that play script is from my mom's shop. Then one of the last things I wanted to mark is that I filmed my very first PP Weeks Plan With Me on this night, and so I'm just using a little planner from the Fox and Pip. And then the last thing that I wanted to mark is that Shane and I continued to watch Avatar: The Last Airbender, and I'm just using a TV from the Fox and Pip to mark that. Then I'm gonna go over and fill out my sidebar. I've really been enjoying filling it out the same way. I'm just layering a little YouTube icon that is from Paper Shire over this half box with a piece of deco, and then I'm filling out my habit trackers. All right, everybody, so that is it. That completes this week's spread. I love how it turned out. I love just the little faint hint of foil from those little overlays right here. This is everything I have left. I have some functional headers, some checklists, some icons, a flag, a couple of glitter headers. I have the heart checklist, a couple of boxes, the build do's, one piece of deco, and then one full box left. I really loved this kit. I loved all the florals. I think it just screams springtime / jumping into summer. Yeah, I just think it turned out so pretty. I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date on whenever I upload. I upload twice a week on Mondays and Wednesdays. Don't forget to check that bottom bar so you can follow me on Instagram as well. It is Home Yuna's Plans. And you can also find my mom's Etsy shop, which is where some of the script stickers that I used today came from. And yeah, that is it, everybody. I'm gonna call it for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.